I find myself sitting in front of this camera again.
What the fuck?
This intro was bull. Welcome back to the MANNN channel. Or the Mar. Text me again, bro. Text me again. Text me again. My name is Mr. Marbang. Welcome back to the MANNN channel. You see me? Where we have more for you. Every time I pick up that camera, it's beer me do. Just I knows that beer me do. Every day, beer me do. So boom, what channel now? Today, as you read by the title, we got a Q&A. You know what I'm saying? Another Q&A, an updated Q&A. Since this is my first video of 2022, I decided that, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing an updated Q&A, you know what I'm saying? Because it's my first, you know what? I'm gonna just throw this whole recording away. It's a big go on, you see me, I say, man, I edit the video, and I realize, say, yo, the part where we answer the first question, in the funny, in the funny. Yeah, so basically the first question was, what me do for my birthday? Sita, read the question, because I know say I can't read. Boom, the man them said, what me do for my birthday? I've been enjoy. Me need to done for my birthday. Me go to school. My birthday was a Friday. Big that too. Bo a birthday for a Friday. But yeah, birthday was a Friday. So I go to school. From school, I go to city. I'm not even going to city. I went to the Bronx. I went to the Bronx, gang. I went to the Bronx. That's like you don't know how much my spirit hurt right now that I went to the Bronx. But I went to the Bronx though. And after that, I just came right back home. And Saturday I went to a movie. Yeah. That's it though. Question is, would you ever commit to a female? Yeah. I would. Definitely would. Why not? Why stop me? Next question is, what is your favorite food in Jamaica? See it there. Now, let me ask you a question now. When you say food, right, you mean like food what cook or just anything at all? Like, because if you mean anything at all, then I'm gonna say, I'm like June plum. Wait, is that? I mean, it's technically food.
2,000 years later.
Like oxtail. Love curry good. Curry chicken, anything curry. You give me anything curry, I clot that down instantly. Don't use that and poison me though, because my auntie nastiness. You hear me? Don't try it. Next question is, single or taken? Let's make a call and find out. Let's find out. We want to find out right now.
He needs some milk.
That means I'm single. Anyway, what age and year you come out for it? So, story back of that now. I was born in New York, but them camera got Jamaica from young and grew me out there. So, the year I came back was 2017. I was 12 when I came back. So basically, I spent most of my life out there. So yeah, but I'm reading my one up here. But you know, when you can go and say, oh, you're not Jamaican, then guess what? F your mother. Done. Height. They have a problem. So, on my wallet. I can't find my wallet. Then I have for me something, say me at 5'10". I'm gonna take that from about May. So, May of 2021 till now. I definitely grew. So, me about 5'11", 6 foot-ish, maybe, me don't know. I'm probably touching 6 feet by now, hopefully. Next question was, where in the world you want to live? Where in the world? I know I have plans of moving out of New York after college, but where exactly in the world? I don't know. I know in the US I'll probably live in like Texas or California, Atlanta, Florida, or what's another state that's how I live in? Yeah, mainly one of those 4 states in the US. But in the world, I don't know. Keep it a being with you. I really don't know. Probably something in the Caribbean though. What's the worst thing that's ever happened to you this far? So I don't know if you mean this far in a year or like in life, but the worst thing this year I could say is, this is honestly funny as hell, and I can make a story time out of this too. But basically, we had a senior skip day, one of our many senior skip days at my school, and this time around, because we already had a senior skip day and I participated and they never called home, but we had a senior skip day again this year because it was a Super Bowl, you know what I'm saying? And niggas did not want to come to school because everybody and their mother was like drunk and shit and all the Super Bowl. I personally didn't watch the Super Bowl, but like I heard the halftime show was great, so shout out to 50 Cent and all them other niggas that did, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you, Ward. But it was a senior skip day after the Super Bowl, and what I did is that I have the school offers this thing called C-Tech, where we go in for the first 4 periods of the day, come back by lunch, and do our last 4 classes. So I went into C-Tech, but I didn't go to actual school. So me and my friend, we were just driving around. Because you know, where I live in New York, you could drive while you're still in high school. Like, you could drive at the age of 16. We get your license at 16. Ask me why what's taking me so long. I don't even know. Keep it being with you. But we were driving around, and by this time it was like 8th period. And you don't know 8th period, like, cause I know they don't call it session, like 8th session, or like, cause I have 9 periods, so 9 sessions out there. So I second to last class of the day. By the time now, I just didn't drive. My mother called me. Somebody in my front seat. I said, shit, mother called me now. Because mind you, I didn't remember it was senior skip day. Okay, so I went to C-Tech and I just didn't go to school. And I never told my mom because like I just didn't remember. So, mother called me now and asked me, when me there? So me me tell her I said me there at school. She knew I was at school because the lady at the front desk called her and told her I wasn't at school. Which they called almost everybody's parents and told them, oh yeah, your son or daughter is not here in school today. Are they with you? And they're like, yeah. Almost everybody else's parents said yeah, except me and my friend Eli's mom. They decided to say no. So I told her I was at school. Wasn't in school. She said, where you at really? I was like, I'm by the school. She's like, go to school. So after that first call, I said, should I really go to school? Because I'm technically still new after school. My friend looked at me, she's like, if you go to school now, there's a chance you're going to get a detention. So I'm like, but detention? I had a detention before since I came to the school. But I'm like, for skipping though, I don't think it's really worth it. So I just didn't go. I was like, oh, if she call again, then I'll go. So we went around to my friend's house now, and she went inside to do something. I was just chilling in the car. And my mom started calling again. I slapped my phone and do not disturb so fast. Called my friend. I said, get out your house. Take him to school because she is tripping. Got to school. My mom calling me again. So I finally answered. She's like, where you at? I'm like, nigga, I'm at school. I got to school. I am at school. What more do you need from me? She's like, alright, bet. Hung with the phone. Bro, it's that same day actually. I went to, they told me to sit down. He said, come Wednesday, serve the ISS, and just go about your day. I'm like, say that. So now, that Wednesday, they told me to come and serve the ISS. They never called my mom and told her that I have ISS, so I didn't serve the ISS. So now I gotta serve it Tuesday, which they still haven't called her. So, you know, Tuesday, not serving ISS. But yeah, so far this year, I only got ISS. And ISS is in school suspension, if you don't know. I probably should have said that first, but fuck it though. But so far, like in life, the worst thing that ever happened to me, I was like 10, and I was cooking something with oil, and oil splashed up, and like like splat on my face, and like I cover my face when I drag my face down. Me look peachy patchy like cartel, but I'm free for bleach. You see me? So yeah, that was the worst thing that ever happened to me in life. Next question is, you ever yet cheat? Feds? What's wrong with this police officer? No, me never yet cheat yet. Me keep on. What's your worst fear? My worst fear is I got Times Square, and I walk through a crowd of people, and I just feel somebody touching my body like that. That's my worst fear ever. Me, that's my number one fear in life. So I go Times Square, I go around crowded place, I mind my business, I'm just saying my finger to sip across my back. That's my worst fear, brother. Cause I have instant anxiety. Me I go have little bit of, not even little bit, enough depression. You see me I go just, yeah. Me I go shoot up the whole party there anytime that go on. Boom. Next question is, do guys wash their ass? ... thoroughly. Why you think about? Why that upon your mind? And I just saying this to why this upon your mind? Like, yeah, everything okay at home? Like, you have something to talk about? Like, maybe no, you know, because. But to answer your question, I can only speak for myself. Yes, I do. Because I can't be walking around with a dookie booty, you know what I'm saying? If you know niggas out here with a dookie booty, get them some help. Wow. The next question is, ever had sex in a car? I'm a child of God. I do not have sex. Next question after that. What you studying? Nigga, I'm still in high school. This is my last year of high school. But if y'all should know, I did get accepted to a college. And I'm going to be going to college for psychology. I actually did a college visit. And I should have did a vlog for it. But I didn't. I walked with the camera. I did the whole intro for the night before, everything, but I just never like recorded myself walking through the school. It kind of sucks, but I am going back in like a week or so, give or take, for this overnight program they have, and I'll get into that when the video, like in the actual video itself. So look out for that. War. Next question is, what do you want to do when you finish school? I'm going to college once again for psychology. Which I'll still be doing this YouTube shit. Don't get it twisted, but like I'm going to college for psychology. Just have that degree. You know what I'm saying? War. What's your body count? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What's a body count? I'm a child of God once again. I do not be having sex. Oh, that's it. Damn, yeah man, I ate that. You see me, my answer on the question. Appreciate you for sitting down here and watching me ramble and shit, answering y'all questions. I'm gonna do this again some other time, like 3 years into the future probably, I don't know. But yeah, that's the video. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe. You see me, and say send the video to a friend, send it to your granny, send it to your dog, send it to your dog, send it to your hamster, your mongrel, your cat, anything at all. Your father, I left here one time, you're 1 year old, go supermarket, go buy milk, and all known and reach back. Still I wait for you see me. And I made this, I sign out.